Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about GooglrCash. Now GooglrCash is out now and it's by Mosh Bari, and basically this software allows you to build very simple websites that contain other people's videos, and then you can make money if people come along and watch them. So I'm going to go into the members area, I'll show you around, and then we'll talk a lot about the strategy here and some of the numbers on these sales page that quite frankly don't really make any kind of sense. So guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Richard Darby, this is School of Nomads. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process step by step. So guys, GooglrCash here, the first thing I notice is apparently it pays them $89 every hour and up to $789. So I'm not quite sure about this number. It doesn't really make any sense. What happens after nearly 8 hours worth of the site being online? Does it stop working or something? I don't really get what this number is all about. And then there's some ridiculous claims as you go through here saying their beta testers have made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this, and none of this makes any kind of sense on this sales page. So let's jump straight into the product. I'll tell you what you're actually getting here. So basically you jump into this product and all it is a website builder that allows you to build a website with other people's videos. So I come along to the campaign here and start a new campaign. I can come up, I can give my site a title, I'll give it a slug, I can add a logo to it, and then I'll just go ahead and press next. I'm going to give it some kind of category, and then I'll give it another slug, and then I'll press next, and it allows me to search for videos. So in this case I'm just going to search for dog training, search for videos, and it's going to bring all of these dog training videos up, and then I can select these and they'll go onto my site. So I'm just going to select all these, see how quick it makes the site for me. Yeah, I must have the total amount there, and then I'm going to create. So there's the site I just created. So if I just go on here now, it does create me a little site. There's a logo there, there's an affiliate name up here, and then there's a bunch of videos on here. So basically that's all the site is really. It's nothing more than just a site that allows you to bring lots of videos across with a few social media connections here. And basically once they watch this video, there's a number of ways that they are saying they're going to monetize this video. One thing you will notice is because they're YouTube videos, they will have all of these extra videos on top. So it's very distracting. And if you do get somebody to watch these videos, which I very much doubt it, you're going to end up having people click on these links as well, and then they're completely gone. You can obviously go and double click on this video anyway, and you'll end up in YouTube, so you've lost them from your site straight away. So this isn't a great tactic anyway, because these videos aren't actually yours, they're somebody else's, and it's very easy for somebody to come off the page. Now once you have those, you can go ahead and monetize these in a number of ways. If we come down to monetize, you can have a Google question ads. Now what you can do here is you can actually add the AdSense code here, press submit, and when people watch that video they'll see an AdSense question come up. Now if they click on that, you're going to get AdSense revenue. Number one, I think it's going to be very difficult for you to get actually AdSense on these sites because they're not going to rank anywhere because it's not your site, it's GooglrCash's site. But number two, I want to just show some of the AdSense rates here. If you go to the AdSense calculator, just search for it on Google. Have a look at how many visitors you need to have to your site to get any kind of decent money. So let's have a look at North America, for instance, and let's just put hobbies and leisure, and I'll press calculate. So basically they're saying 50,000 page views a year will get you $6,000. So to get $6,000, they're claiming they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. So they're saying they're having multiple millions of dollars of page views from the AdSense revenue here. So to get this kind of AdSense revenue, you need to have one heck of a lot of visitors every single month. You need to have nearly 4,000 visitors a month over to your site. So just remember that if you're looking at Google AdSense, $6,000 a year would be $4,000 a month. So when you're doing the calculations and deciding whether this is going to be worth it for you, because he did say in the demo this is the easiest way to make money online, you do get AdSense revenue, but you do need a lot of visitors. I make AdSense off my YouTube channel. I get nearly 500 people a day over to my YouTube channel. So I know how much that I get. I know you need to have a lot of traffic to earn about $20–30 a day, right? So just be aware of these numbers and come along here and play with this for your various countries to understand what this would look like. Let's just say I was going to, say, a Middle Eastern African country as well. Go over here, calculate that, and you can see for 50,000 you get half the revenue, because they pay you depending on where you actually live, not where the site is. So this is just one warning that you need to be aware of. The other ways you need to monetize this is if you come over and look at questions, you can add your own question to this. Pretty easy. Use the same template. Just grab a template down here, and then you can put 3 questions in, and then basically you can add a response here with a link to an affiliate offer, and then you can have the call to action button here and submit, and then it'll overlay it on that video for you. So that's another way you can make money on here. Another way is by doing a quiz. Same kind of thing. You build your quiz and then put an affiliate offer on here, and then you can do a survey, and again you can put an offer on here. But these are all upsells for a start. All of these other ones are going to be a part of their upsells. They're not on the front end products at $17. So they have got some offers here. If you want to go down the affiliate marketing route, you can go to JVZoo or Warrior Plus, and it's the same as everything else. They'll give you a list of products, and you can go ahead and click one of them and try and get approval to actually promote that product. But then here's the thing, guys. Here is the big issue with this product. As usual, apart from it being a little bit spammy, a little bit low quality, the sites don't look that good. But basically, their traffic is this. Number one is sharing this on Add to Any. Now, Add to Any is a site that you can get access to. And basically, it's a bunch of different links over to different social networks. And you can share these to these sites. Now, I've said this so many times on my reviews before. If you haven't got people on any of these sites, you are not going to get traffic over to any kind of website. Unless you've got a big audience on Tumblr, unless you've got a big audience on Blogger, whatever it may be, it's all the same, guys. You're not going to get any kind of traffic over to these links unless you have an existing audience. Or would you want to give your existing audience a link to this website? There's nothing to it apart from a couple of videos. You might as well just go on YouTube. So that's completely pointless traffic. And then the second traffic source is this site here, this maximum app, which again is nothing really apart from a few links over to Twitter, Tumblr, Vimeo, Reddit, and Telegram, and Dailymotion. So you're going to have to create little posts and then send them over to these sites. But again, if you've got no audience on here, nobody's going to come along and see the audience. So if I just go on to the Reddit one, again, there's nothing to this. It's just another site that is not going to help you at all. I'm not seeing the point of this traffic either. This isn't real traffic. This is just some kind of spammy site again that you can just add some media, a link or text, and then send it to a website. I just do not understand what they're doing with this traffic. So there's no traffic here. And guys, you're just not going to end up with any kind of traffic over to these very cheap sites. So again, it's a shame. I'm sure they'll make lots of sales off this, but the people that use this are just going to be completely and utterly wasting their time. So again, like I said, when I come over to these numbers don't make sense anyway. $89 to $789. What happens after those hours are finished? If you're affiliate marketing, this site is live all the time and you can get lots and lots of traffic. What's happened here then? And then they're making extraordinarily big claims all the way through here of lots of different sales by using just this one site. I literally just looked at a verified user that's on their sales page to see if he was real, and it's just so quick to see that this guy is a stock image. Look at this here. So dishonest, so poor. It's just a shame people are going to get caught up with this product and actually buy it. It's just real poor product. So guys, you can see that's completely fake. All of this financial proof is fake, and quite honestly, the whole product is fake. I'm not going to go through these individually. What I will do is leave these in the description below. If you're really interested in the OTOs, I'll just be giving you lots of different numbers. But I recommend to you now, you keep away from this product. It's a complete pointless waste of time, and you're actually going to be giving money to vendors who are very dishonest with you. So guys, I hope that was valuable to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and click the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.